Welcome to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we embark on a journey to a land of immense beauty and wonder, East Africa. Join me as we explore the top 10 reasons why Rwanda, Tanzania, Burundi, Uganda, and Kenya should be on every traveler's bucket list. Our first stop takes us to Rwanda, a land of rolling hills and emerald green tea plantations. Here, in Volcanoes National Park, lives a creature of immense power and gentle grace, the mountain gorilla. Trek through the dense bamboo forests and come face to face with these magnificent primates. Rwanda is more than just gorillas. Explore its vibrant capital, Kigali, a city pulsing with life and hope. Next, we venture into the heart of Tanzania, home to the legendary Serengeti National Park. Witness over 1 million wildebeest, zebra, and gazelle as they thunder across the savanna in the Great Migration. And towering above it all stands Mount Kilimanjaro. Challenge yourself to a climb and witness the sunrise from its peak. Our journey now takes us to Burundi, a small nation nestled on the shores of Lake Tanganyika. Visit the Gishora Drum Sanctuary, where the thunderous sound of traditional drums tells stories of Burundi's rich history. Explore the shores of Lake Tanganyika and hike through its lush green hills, where hidden waterfalls cascade into crystal-clear pools. Chapter 4. Uganda, where gorillas and the Nile converge. In Bwindi impenetrable forest, encounter the mountain gorillas once more. Trek through the dense undergrowth and come face to face with these gentle giants. Visit Jinja, the adventure capital of East Africa, and witness the awe-inspiring moment where the Nile begins its epic journey. Chapter 5. Kenya, where the Maasai Mara meets turquoise waters. The vast plains of the Maasai Mara teem with wildlife, offering an experience that rivals the Serengeti. Witness the drama of the Great Migration and encounter elephants, lions, and giraffes. Relax on the white sands of Diani Beach and snorkel in the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. Chapter 6. Kigali, the heart of Rwanda's revival. Kigali has emerged as a beacon of hope, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Explore its clean streets, bustling markets, and vibrant murals that tell the story of Rwanda's past and present. Visit the Kigali Genocide Memorial and experience the warmth of its people and the energy of its streets. Chapter 7. Zanzibar, the Spice Island beckons. Our journey now takes us off the coast of Tanzania to the exotic island of Zanzibar. Wander through the labyrinthine streets of Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Relax on its pristine beaches, swim in the crystal-clear waters of the Indian Ocean, and witness breathtaking sunsets. Chapter 8. Burundi, echoes of ancient rhythms. At the Gishora Drum Sanctuary, witness the power and passion of traditional Burundian drumming. Watch as master drummers beat out intricate rhythms on their sacred drums. Experience the deep connection between the music, the dancers, and the audience. Chapter 9. Uganda, where lions defy gravity. In Queen Elizabeth National Park, witness lions lounging on tree branches, observe their hunting strategies and social interactions, encounter herds of elephants, buffaloes, and antelopes, and spot chimpanzees swinging through the forest canopy. Chapter 10. Kenya, a tapestry of urban and wild. Explore Kenya's bustling cities, Nairobi and Mombasa, each with its own unique charm. Visit the Giraffe Center in Nairobi and explore the Karen Blixen Museum. Venture into Kenya's numerous national parks, from Mount Kenya to the vast plains of Tsavo east and west. As our journey through East Africa draws to a close, I hope you've been inspired to experience the magic of this incredible region. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.